Mix these ingredients right, and you'll build a social media presence that creates passionate champions for your brand. Let's break down the 4 pillars that turn followers into fans. First, be the expert who makes complex things simple. Share those golden nuggets of knowledge that make your audience stop scrolling. Whether it's a dentist debunking TikTok dental hacks, a chef revealing restaurant-worthy cooking secrets, or a realtor explaining market trends in plain English. Valuable content builds trust faster than any sales pitch. Quick tips, myth-busting posts, or did you know features that showcase your experience without overwhelming followers. You're not just sharing information, you're translating your years of experience into aha moments for your audience. Next, inspire action by sharing success stories that make your followers think, hey, I want that. Whether it's a first-time homebuyer's joy, a business owner's milestone celebration, or a patient's smile makeover. Show your audience the path from where they are to where they want to be, with your brand as their trusted guide. Third, bring the fun. Nobody follows a boring brand, and personality is your secret weapon in a sea of sameness. Mix in some personality with behind-the-scenes peaks like your team's coffee addiction or Friday traditions. Industry-relevant memes that show you're in on the joke, or trending challenges that showcase your human side. Share the blooper reel from your latest video shoot. Celebrate office pets, or start a weekly tradition that gets your followers laughing. Business-appropriate humor builds connections and makes your brand memorable in ways that polished corporate content never could. Finally, remember the social and social media. Engage like you're at a party, not presenting a lecture. Ask questions that spark real discussions, respond to comments with personality, and create opportunities for your community to share their voice. Host Q&A sessions, run polls about future content, or create themed discussion days. When followers comment, don't just like, respond thoughtfully. Show them there's a real person behind the profile who cares about their input. Build relationships by celebrating your followers' wins, addressing their concerns, and creating a space where everyone feels heard. Mix these ingredients right, and you'll build a social media presence that doesn't just attract followers, it creates passionate champions for your brand. That's when social media transforms from a marketing channel into a community that grows your business organically.